I'm very impressed. How about you guys? Are you guys impressed?
Definitely multi-talented.
All right, you guys, please give applause again for these 4 talented girls, please.
We still have one last one.
All right.
Hasn't showcased the talent.
Definitely.
Yes, definitely. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have the last contestant who's going to showcase you the talent today. So we have seen.
Who is the one?
Yes, we have seen an Indian dance. So, like I say, Malaysia being a multicultural country, we have all kind of dancers. And here she is, contestant 11. Jie Wei is going to put up a cultural dance. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's put it up to contestant 11, Jie Wei.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and thank you, contestant number 11, Jie Wei, to show us this marvelous cultural dance. I think, Charmaine, we just talked about this cultural dance. I think look like more like a mixed modern dance, isn't it?
Well,